isang Senate political court at ang isang court of public opinion. Diyan tayo nakasalalay yung mga kababayan natin. Dapat talaga natin tignan at pagmasidan ang mga nilalatag na ebidensya. Kasi para sa akin ngayon, lilipat na tayo sa probable cause to substantial evidence. Sobra-sobra yun. Kasi ang substantial evidence, reasonable outcome for a reasonable mind lang yan. The defense may be plausible, pero but reasonable pa rin, pasok na, dapat convicted. So, therefore, yan ang titignan natin. Kung hindi naman ma-convict, ma-acquit, so be it, that's fine. Pero ang ebidensya ngayon ang dapat tignan natin. Because para lang sa akin, ang tinitignan ko na yung 2028. No? Kasi para lang sa akin, the court of public opinion, ang mas matindi talaga dito. Iyan ang talagang maaalala nila.
Kung Terry, i-add ko lang, no? Kasi based on what Dean Mel said, mukha naman lamang niya po yata si VP Sara sa Senate. And there are other senators already who kind of voiced out that they will vote this way to the point of even blocking or whatever they can to perhaps not convene as a Senate impeachment court. Sa'yo, Kung Terry, after all of the hearings in the House, walang mangyari sa Senate or ma-acquit sa Senate, is it really worth it?
Well, I reject that framing. Okay. Kasi una sa lahat, the only reason bakit siya lamang sa Senado ay dahil meron ng 2/3 threshold. And it's not because of the senators.
Okay.
It is only because of that particular 2/3 threshold. So, kami po, we will go into trial confident that we will be able to present evidence to the senators for them to convict the Vice President. And we will achieve that 2/3 threshold to convict. No? Yun po yung una. Pangalawa, marami yung mga bago as soon as we get to trial. We will open the bank accounts of the Duterte Carpio couple. We will unseal the BIR documents that was left sealed, no? At the level of the House. So mga dalawang dagdag pong mabibigat na ebidensya po ito para pagbanggain yung pong mga usapin ng AMLAC, 6.7 billion total transactions, at yung pong kanyang SALN. So marami pong mangyayari sa Senado. And the only reason, again, to reiterate, the only reason bakit ho parang liamado is only because of the constitutional threshold of 2/3. And it is not because of what the senator judges will actually think.
But at the same time, Kung Terry, di ba, political and legal, there can be possibilities that no matter how well or sound your argumentation and the prosecution, the evidence may not be sufficient in the minds of other senators who are still stuck in that political realm of impeachment. Ano pong masasabi niyo, sir?
Sure, but ultimately we will respect po the judgment and wisdom of the senator judges. No? So we will present our case as a part of the prosecution as soon as it gets to the Senate. Pero ultimately, we can only hope, no, that they will be convinced by the evidence and that they will be convinced to convict the Vice President. So sila ho mapagpasya. We will not intrude upon their determination and their wisdom.
Doc Gito, again, you said earlier